friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to change wallpaper in Oppo phone. So let us start our video. Move on the setting icon first. After that you will see many options here. Scroll up some more, and you have to click on the home screen and lock screen magazine option here. Click on that. After that you will see many option again. After that you have to click on the set wallpaper option. After that again click on the wallpaper, and here you will see many wallpaper. Choose the wallpaper which you want to change. I want to change that one wallpaper. Click on that. After that apply, and then set as wallpaper, and here you will see the result. In this way we will change our wallpaper in your mobile phone. So I hope this video helps you to change wallpaper in your mobile phone. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video. And if you want to know any information about any function of mobile phone or PC, so please comment us. Thank you so much for watching our video.